Hello, welcome to Skill Up. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a landing page for free. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and press the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video, you will get to see it.
So the first thing you need to understand before you start creating your affiliate landing page is the purpose of your landing page. You understand there are different purposes of a landing page, but as an affiliate, your purpose is for you to be able to get leads that you can sell to. You understand? Because that is how this business works. You get people interested in what you have to offer, then you market to them. So, and this is a very simple affiliate funnel that most affiliates in the world use. So as you can see, firstly, you're driving traffic from a source, and these sources are sources such as social media platforms. You understand? Various social media platforms. As you can see, we have Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. There are many more. We have Twitter and many more. You understand? But right here, you just have a source where you're generating traffic from. So you generate this traffic, then you send this traffic to a landing page, an opt-in landing page where you generate leads. You ask people for their email, for their phone number, their details. So then from there you send them to your affiliate product page where you get to show them the offer that they will be interested in if they want it. You understand? But now, why is a funnel like this, you might ask? Why is it that you cannot just send people from these various social media platforms straight to your affiliate product page? There are two reasons. One is because once you send these people to this affiliate product page is not your own page. You do not have control over this page, which means that if these people from these social media platforms go to this page and they are not interested the first time that they stumble upon this product, then you have lost them forever. But with a landing page where you have an opt-in, you can get their phone number and their emails, and you can begin to use email marketing to remarket to them. And one amazing thing is that the software I'll be showing you how to create your landing page with today also gives you the option to do email marketing automatically. That is so amazing. So, but now the second option why you need a landing page is because most of these social media platforms do not accept affiliate links on their platform. That is why you need what we call a squeeze page to send these people to firstly, then you now send them to your affiliate page. So this is just your simple affiliate funnel, and I'm going to show you how to create your landing page and send them to your affiliate product page then from these social media platforms. So let's go and get started. So as you can see right here, this is system.io, and this is a very amazing platform for creating funnels and doing many more stuff. But today I'll be showing you how to create a landing page. So once you're on system.io, the first thing you need to do is put in your email and sign up. It's very simple. Just put in your email, and as you can see, free forever, no credit card required, although they have other bigger price options if you need much more features. So just click on get free account. As you can see, almost there, you need to check your email address by clicking on the link we just sent to you. So let me check my email. I'll refresh this email. So as you can see, confirm your email address from system.io, and I'll just click on this link, this one that says click on this confirmation link. So as you can see, I'm going to set my password. You understand? So I'm just going to set a very simple password right here. So as you can see, I've added my password, and I'm going to verify this security code right here. Then I'll just click on save. Okay guys, so as you can see, we are right on our system.io dashboard. As you can see, any new lead you generate is going to show here. If you are making sales from your funnel directly, it's going to show here. But right now, to start creating your landing page, come over to this point which says funnels. So as you can see, I do not have any funnel right here. So the first thing you need to do, just click on create. So now, one thing about system.io is that they have segmented the type of funnels you can create. As you can see, build an audience, sell, custom, which is starting from scratch, and run an evergreen webinar. So right now I'm trying to build an audience that is generate leads that I can remarket to every time, and even build my list. So as you can see from my funnel, I need to first of all create an opt-in form. So when I go back to here, I just click on build an audience, then I'll just name it. I'll just name this affiliate funnel. So let's go. I just click on create. So as you can see right here, I've been given a lot of templates I can begin to select from. That is one sweet thing about system.io. They have various templates you can pick from, and most of these templates are high converting templates that have been tested to work a lot of times. So as you can see, there are many. You can scroll and choose from any of these ones. And also, if you are good with design, you can decide to start yours from scratch. Let me show you. You just click on this last one right here. You see this one? Just click on select and you start from scratch. But no need to start from scratch and start rambling your head. There are many that you can just pick from right here and begin to create your own affiliate sales page. All you just need to do is add and remove some stuffs. So right now I'm trying to build a simple affiliate landing page that can convert with an opt-in option. So let me just scroll down and select anyone I feel is good for me. Okay, so let me just find one I can pick right here, and then we go forward to start editing it. So let me just pick this one. As you can see, this one right here, I just click on select. So once you're right here, as you can see the URL part. You can name it to something like, as you can see, this will be the name of my own website, and can be like affiliate funnel. Then that is how I want it. Then as you can see, the name, you just name it free video, something like that, because I'm trying to give a free video. So now once you are done, just click on this point here that says edit page. Then you'll be brought to the design page where you can begin to edit what you want. You understand? As you can see right now, this is like a very simple, straight to the point page. So all you just have to do right here is remove some stuff that you do not need and add some stuff that you need. So right now, I'm going to make this much more simple. Then I'll remove this, like this first point that says get the free course right now. I do not want that. I'll first delete this. In fact, I'll just delete this whole row. So as you can see right now, here they say learn how to create amazing photos with free so. So right now, all I just need to do is, what do I want to promote? You understand? What I want to promote, you need to first of all know what you are trying to promote. So as for me, I'm trying to promote an affiliate product which talks about how people can migrate from Nigeria to Canada to study abroad. So let me just find that product, then I'll show you what it means. So if I go over to that product, as you can see, the name of this product is called the No Hassle to Niger Canada Japa system, which teaches a lot of people how to travel outside Nigeria. So first of all, visit the sales page. So before you start promoting any affiliate product, you need to have visited the sales page and understand how this affiliate product works, so you can know how to craft out your simple landing page. So as you can see right here, the easiest and most accessible way to relocate to Canada this year. This is the tagline right here on this sales page. So I can use something from here to now direct people from my landing page to this page where they can now watch this free video, because the intention, what I want them to do is to come and watch this video right here, because this video explains everything they need to know about my affiliate product. You understand? So what am I going to do right now? I'll go back to my editor and I look at it right here, and I just do something like, I'll just formulate from my own brain what do I want to do. I can now say, okay, let me just do this, something like free video. So you can make yours much more creative. So but this is just like a headline I'm going to use right here. Then I'll just do this, copy this, then you can bold this. As you can see, it's going to be like this: free video reveals the easiest way to study in Canada. Then right here can be something like your sub headline if you need a sub headline. So let me just put it something like, so as you can see, this is a very simple sub headline I use right here. So as you can see, the easiest way to study in Canada. This is a secret method most Nigerians are using to secure permanent residence visa in Canada. So yours, ensure that firstly, before you start creating your landing page, you already have what you like to put on your landing page. It's not that when you come on your landing page, you now start saying, oh, this is what you want to put. First of all, have your copy, your headline, your body, your image, your video, anything you want to use, have it ready. Then you come and start doing your design. That's the simplest way to create a landing page. But right now, as you can see, free video review is the easiest way to study abroad than the secret method. So that's just it. So right now, if you have any other bullet point you like to put, you can start to put it up right here. But to me, I do not want this, so I remove this. I remove this as well. I remove this as well. So all I just need right now is just this point, this one here. So all I just do is drag it like this. So as you can see, this is what I want. So I want it, once they see this, then this opt-in form will be right here. So I just put something like and enter your details. So as you can see, enter your details to receive this free video immediately. So anybody that is interested in it will have to put their email, their first name and their email, then automatically they will get access. So this point that says get access, I'll need to change this get access to something much more better than get access. Get access is just too basic. So I'll just change it. So as you can see, you can change it from this point right here. You can say give me the free video. So as you can see, this is much more better. So as you can see, it's just ready. Then what I can just do is all these points that I don't need, I'll just delete them because I don't really need all these other points right here. So as you can see, instead of starting from scratch, I've used their own template to create mine. As you can see, free video review is the easiest way. Then they put in their details, then they receive this free video. So but now, how do I now link them to this free video once they have submitted their details? You understand? So when I tap on this give me the free video, so right here on this point, as you can see, it says action when button clicked. So you just leave it on send form because you want people to fill in this form and sign up to your list, you understand, to your email list. So the next thing you do is, do you want to redirect users after contact registration? Yes, click on to a custom URL. And that is because you want to drive them from your landing page to your affiliate page, just like we have on our funnel, as you can see right here, from landing page to affiliate product page. So right now, just paste your affiliate link, the link to your affiliate product page here. As you can see, I've pasted mine right here, which means when anybody clicks on it, it will take them to that my sales page, which is the Niger to Canada Japa system. So right now you can do more customization to this. As you can see, this color right here, let me say I want this color to be separate. I can change it. As you can see, I change this one to white. So let me just scroll down. As you can see, this color, I can put red right here. Can you see? So I can leave it on red and white like this, and I just continue. So once I like it the way it is like this, then I'll move up. So let me say I want to add something like an image to just probably spice up this landing page. So I can add up any image by just looking for the image icon right here. So anything you want to add, you can just scroll down and add it up. Is it a Facebook comments, Twitter share buttons, countdown, like a timer? You can add something like a timer right here. And as you can see, let me just say I want to add an image. So what I'll just do, I just drag this image and I'll drop it at the point I want. As you can see, this is the point I want. I just leave it there. Then as you can see, I just tap on the image icon, then I'll upload an image. So you can drag and drop any image right here from your laptop, or you select the file automatically. But for me, I'll just click on one of the image I uploaded, then I'll just insert it right here. So as you can see, this makes a whole lot of sense. So I'll just look at it. If I like what I'm seeing right here, I will just continue. You understand? So just like I said, you can edit anything you like. So if you check out, I changed this border that was black to red. You can always change it to any color you want. As you can see, this is it. You can change it to green, you can change it to red. So all you just have to do is just customize it to fit to the way you want. You understand? This point as well, you can change it to anything. So let's say you want to change it to something like underlined. You want to underline it, something like this. If you want, it's up to you. But now the creativity part of the landing page is up to you, but I'm just showing you how to structure it and set it up. You understand? But ensure that you have everything in check so that people can actually convert on this your landing page. So let me say, even on this give me the free video, I want to change how the text is. So I can just probably come increase it if I want. You understand? It's up to you, and anything you want, again, you can do there. Understand? Font, you can put it regular, and any other thing you want to do right there. You understand? So this is just it. Once you are done and you are satisfied with what you have done, all you just need to do is click on save changes. Then you can preview it. You can always preview it from this eye icon that is here. Just tap on it and it will show you the preview page of your landing page. So can you see, free video reveals the easiest way to study in Canada. So can you see, this is the secret method most Nigerians are using to secure a permanent visa in UK. So once anybody is interested, all they just need to do is enter their details right here and submit it. So if I fill in these details, let me just add up an email. Then if I click on give me the free video, what is going to happen is that they are going to firstly be taken straight to the product page, just like I have here. As you can see, they'll be taken to this page right here. So, and also they'll be subscribed to my email list. So once I click on give me this free video, as you can see, they have been taken to my product page where I want them to watch the free video that is on this page. And once they're interested, they can now click on get access to buy this product. But if, for example, they come to this page and they are not interested the first time, or they do not have money to sign up, you don't want to just neglect them. You want to keep sending them follow-up emails so that they can sign up when they have the money and get much more interested. You understand? So how do you now know that, okay, these people have signed up to your list, and you can now start sending them email? System.io have done that and everything for you, that you just automatically automate it for you. So let me just click on save changes and then go back. As you can see, I'm done. I'm satisfied with what I have here. It's okay for me. I'll just click on save. Then I'm back to this point. As you can see now, this URL right here, once you click on this URL that says copy, this is your real URL. Don't copy the preview URL and start putting out there. This should be the URL you should be putting. You understand? Just go and you open it up on your new browser. Then you will see that this is it. So when you share anyone this link, they can actually come to this page and sign up. You understand? So you see how amazing it is. So right now, let me show you that people that sign up from this form are automatically enrolled into your email list. So once you go to your main dashboard, as you can see, we have one new lead right here. As you can see, subscribe to your scripts page, and you can begin to send them follow-up emails. If you want to send them follow-up emails, you come over to emails and begin to set up your campaigns and newsletter to go out to these people. The purpose of this video is just to show you how to create a landing page. If you want me to create a new video on how to do email marketing with System.io, just leave a comment on the comment section and I will definitely do a video on that. So that being said, this is just how you can actually set up your affiliate landing page. So as you can see, it looks very smooth and precise, and it's taking the action that you want it to take. So now one thing you should know is that if you look at the link right here, this link is just a custom link that was given to you by System.io. As you can see, mine gfmgang.system.io.com/something. So if you want to add your own custom domain to this and probably make it your business.com, something like jamesjohn.com, so that when someone visits it, it's going to show this page, then you can do that on the free version of System.io. You can only connect one custom domain on the free version, but if you want to increase and connect more, then you upgrade to their higher versions. So but to connect it, you just come over to this point and go to settings, then you go to custom domains, as you can see right here. then you can just add a new domain. You understand? Then you connect it, then it's going to show your custom domain and this page when someone visits your custom domain. So that is just it.